To access the closed caption and interactive transcript option, go to the link provided and it will take you directly to the material you wish to review. I have chosen my personal introduction to demonstrate the features that are available to you.
My name is Don Poffenberger, and I will be the instructor of this course.
1. You have the ability to pause or play
Academic
the material.
preparation would include the completion of 2 master's degrees.
2. Click on the CC button to stop the captioning or begin to play the captioning option. 3. You have 3 view options. 1 is small player, which is the view as is. 2 is large player, which will give you a larger view, zoomed in. And 3 is full screen.
Is a master's in criminal justice, where my concentrations were in the area of juvenile delinquency and adult correctional issues.
4 is the interactive transcript option. This will provide a highlighted line-by-line view of the spoken word.
In the area of communications, and my concentration was non-verbal communication. Also, I have completed approximately 45 hours of postgraduate work in the areas of philosophy of education and curriculum development. I have several publications. My first is a co-authored textbook that was published in Child Pornography, Pedophilia to the Juvenile.
To exit, go to the top of the page and click on the X.